Host, hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online banking, specifically Ally Bank. Now, Ally has been making waves with their competitive interest rates and user-friendly platform. But there's one question that pops up a lot: what's the minimum deposit to open an account? Think about it. Traditional banks often hit you with minimum balance requirements, those annoying fees that sneak up if you don't keep a certain amount in your account. Not exactly ideal, especially if you're just starting or looking for a flexible option. Cut to screen with question mark graphic. What's the catch? Host, so, is there a catch with Ally? Is there a hidden minimum lurking somewhere? Well, fret no more, because we're about to crack the code on Ally's minimum deposit. Cut back to Host. Host, here's the deal: there is no minimum deposit required to open either their online savings account or their interest checking account. That's right, you can open an Ally account with literally $0. Pretty sweet, huh? Short animation pops up with $signs raining down. Host, this is fantastic news for anyone who wants to test the waters of online banking without a big commitment. Maybe you're a college student or someone just starting out and building your financial foundation. With Ally, you can dip your toes in, start building your savings, and take advantage of those sweet interest rates without worrying about meeting some arbitrary minimum. Cut to screen with Ally Bank logo and interest rate chart. Host, now, Ally is an online-only bank, which means there are no physical branches. So, if you crave that in-person banking experience, Ally might not be the best fit. But for those who are comfortable managing their finances digitally, Ally offers a ton of perks. Cut back to Host. Host, besides no minimum deposit, they boast competitive interest rates on both savings and checking accounts. They also have a user-friendly mobile app that lets you manage your money on the go. Plus, they offer a variety of tools and resources to help you reach your financial goals. Short montage of phone screen showing Ally mobile app features. Host, of course, with any financial decision, it's always wise to do your research. Compare Ally's rates and features to other online banks or even your current bank. But the fact that there's no minimum deposit to open an account makes Ally a very attractive option, especially for those who are budget conscious or just getting started with online banking. Cut to screen with split comparison, Ally Bank versus traditional bank. Host, so, there you have it. The minimum deposit mystery at Ally Bank is solved. No minimums, just the chance to save and grow your money with a user-friendly online platform. Remember, this doesn't replace professional financial advice, but it should give you a good starting point. Host leans in with a smile. Host, if you're considering Ally Bank or online banking in general, leave a comment below and let me know what questions you have. I'm always happy to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.